Hi everyone, so I am getting ready for a wedding and I wanted to show you my routine. So I'm starting off with a Glow Getter mist spray. And then I'm going to do just a little bit of this Quo face serum. It is very illuminating. For foundation, I'm going to do my HD liquid cover, but actually first I'm going to do a bit of this Catrice like pore filling primer, 1 Minute Skin Perfector. So this does have a bit of a tint. Found that it kept my makeup on nicely last time though. My Lise Watier eyeshadow base. This is nice because it does kind of like matte out the color of my eye too. Beautiful. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Catrice by Iman eyeshadow palette. I'm going to try and keep it pretty neutral. I'm going to do Fairfax all over to just prime the lid. In the crease, I'm using my new Hakuhodo brush. I'll use some of Sunset. Oh, that's gorgeous. Such a nice brownie nude. And then some Laguna. This is just a bit shimmery. If you're unaware, Iman is a YouTuber, so I will link her channel below. I'll just then kind of blend this underneath the eye, but I have a different product that I want to use for lining my lower lash line. Now, I do have this Quo Ooh La La kit, and I think I want to use some of the glitter because my dress is quite glittery. So using my Quo flat brush, I'm going to go into just this center glitter shade here. See if I can pick some of it up. I feel like the best way to apply this is with a finger, so let's try this first. Yeah, so I am getting some fallout, but oh my gosh, it's perfect, you guys. Exactly what I needed. Okay, so I'm going in with my finger instead. Yeah, this is way better. Sometimes you just need your finger when you're trying to pack on glitter, like brushes just don't grab it. That's so good. Okay, I want to be gentle with how far up I go. I think I'm going to just deepen the crease a little bit after this too. My dress is literally this shade of champagne glitter, so feeling it. How good is this eyeshadow going to be over the holidays? So excited. I want to just get a bit of Runyon. What the hell? I'm just going to do, whoa, that's very pigmented. Tapping some off. I'm going to do a bit more in the crease just to deepen. Okay, I didn't know I was going to get like red eyeshadow out of that one. I should have known, but still looking pretty. Wow. Okay. You know what? It's making my green eyes pop, so let's keep it. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner. Just using a dark brown liquid liner. It's getting a bit old, so it's not going to be too dark, but it's okay because I am putting on lashes as well. This is just to darken up right at the lash line. I'm doing some of this Urban Decay shadow stick right kind of in the center of my lower lash line. I don't want to get it too far in or out. It's just to kind of deepen up the center of my lower lashes right here. Okay, foundation, here we go. This is too dark for me, so I'm going to do some in the center. Then I'm going to use my lightning drops. These are from the Body Shop. And to blend out, Quo foundation brush. Okay. It's probably best to mix these like on a palette and not on your face. This HD foundation has very good coverage. Like it really kind of locks in. So I'm blending my foundation down a little bit onto my neck and chest because my dress is kind of a V-neck. I'm also grabbing this sponge to blend in. There's no water on it, but it kind of just acts as a blender. I find that 1 Minute Skin Perfector primer like really hangs onto foundation in a way that's great because it keeps it in place, but also it doesn't really allow you to blend that easily, so you need to bring out like the big guns like a sponge. Okay, concealer. I'm going to my Complexionista from Benefit, doing some boing right under the eyes. And then some Catrice 12-Hour Camouflage. This is in the shade 10. I'm using the finger just to blend that out. Using my trusty little detail pencil brush here, I'm just going to dot some concealer on the spots that need it. What I've realized is that this Catrice concealer is not good for spots. It's just not pigmented enough. For powder, I have Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish on Hakuhodo brush. Doing a bit of bronzer, some Hoola. I mixed both regular Hoola and Hoola Light. Some blush. I'm just going into this first pinky shade. This side blended out well, this side not so much. So, clean brush. Ooh, very patchy. I don't know what's making it patchy, but beware. Something here is not jiving. I love doing spot concealing as a final step sometimes because then it just stays put, nothing goes on top, no fuss. Same Hakuhodo brush for highlighter, just going into Whistler and Surrey. Bit on the cheekbones there, brow bones, not much. Wiping off my lip balm. Doing some lip liner. This is just from the Body Shop. Over top I'm doing this gloss from Catrice. Oh wow, very fancy. I'm gonna blot that. Just doing a little bit of brow pencil. This is an Essence one. Blend that out with a spoolie. Time for lashes. I'm going to do my Ardell foam mink ones. Length a little long. Just going to grab some off the end. 2 tufts. That looks better. Here you will see the lashes applied. I don't love how prominent the band is, but the finished effect is great. Now comes hair. So at this point I was really rushing, but I just used my Hot Tools curling bar wand right here. It's a clipless bar and it worked really great for natural waves. This is my final look. Hope you enjoyed.